Welcome, here I've got Huawei Mate 10 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Now at the second position we have location tag option with short info from the device that this can tag photos and videos with location information. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, and here the important thing also is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, so this is how my photo looks like. To check its location we have to simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we get access to location with map and the full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.